Okay, when we look right into here, you can see a kink that goes down. Hi. Yeah, it's like what I thought. When you look, stand back and catch the reflection.
Yeah, you can see those two, like.
And then I can feel it hump
Yeah.
right in here and a little over
Right
here.
there.
So, okay, we can see a kink here, a kink here. We can see a kink here, displacement, kink here. We can see all the way across here. This whole thing is pushed in. This should be all the way out here. The camera's pointing down, so when she backed into something, it twisted down. Okay, we're getting ready to start moving some of this metal. Here's a view from the other angle. This is what I used to push the inner structure up initially. Next, I'm going to work this lip right into here to try to roll this back out. Okay. I gotta start moving all this stuff in here. So this part in here, I'm going to start tapping and smoothing out the surface before I start pushing. Relieve some of the pressure. It sounds like pretty woodpecker, doesn't it? This area in here, I've got one of the Reaper little dollies on ultra double bend. And I'm starting to bring up the lows and just blend everything in with a rolling technique. And then this area here, I'm using one of Kaz's tools and blending the metal even further out. This was just a long, drawn-out process. As you can see, came out really nice. Lifting it up, down those crowns on the bottom after we tapped them down, and just slowly lifting those up with one of Kaz's tools again. Basically the same one that I was using before. I think that one actually might have been like a pirate tip one. Really incredible tools. Thanks, Kaz. Finishing off this little area here, this crown, smoothing it down. I had to reverse them basically. And then just doing a little bit of fine tuning to compress some of the push marks. A little after, you can see it looks really good. No color sanding and polishing, no paint, no bondo. Came out nice.
When I got a $6,000 quote,
Pleased.
I thought that was pretty laughable. They wanted me to use my insurance.
You have a Tesla? Give us a call before you give the insurance company a call or one of their preferred body shops and get your car on from Carfax potentially. You can send us pictures or a video to repair your car without paint or bondo or replacing parts. This is Eddie with the Dent Devils, mobile paintless dent repair of San Diego. We've been in business since 1996, and this has been my profession since 1983. Anything from painting cars to doing body work, detail business to the paintless dent repair. Take care, be safe, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon. If you ever have any problems, give us a call.